Okay, if you want to remove the voice command on a Samsung Smart TV, here to help. It doesn't matter if you have a Clarity or a Crystal or whatever version that you have. You hear the annoying Karen voice. So for example, if I'm scrolling here, you can hear her blab her mouth. So what I want to do is I want to go to Settings. As you can see there, it's the bottom left, it's the little gear shift. Click OK. And from here, what I want to do is go down to General. And then I want to go to the right, and I want to go to Accessibility.
General, 8 items. 1. Accessibility.
Click OK on Accessibility.
Accessibility.
And where it says Voice Guide Settings, click that off. So I hit Enter. If it's blue, that means it's on. You want to click it again to make it black. That turns her off to where she's not running in her mouth. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.